guys, how are you? Happy Halloween. It's my favorite time of year, and today we're going to do a fun wrap dress style tutorial, and this time we are doing a costume, and that costume is Poison Ivy, one of my favorite comic book characters. I've dressed up as her several times. This was my second costume of her, the first being when I was 6 years old. So that was a cool 50s pinup version that I did. And this is a look at the pattern quickly. It was really fun to make, and I think it turned out really well. I really did love this costume, and it's a shame that it doesn't fit me anymore, so I decided to do this wrap dress style tutorial for that, so I can still be Poison Ivy and have the comfort of a convertible wrap dress. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you've enjoyed, and thanks for indulging me a little bit. And I always love dressing up, so it's always fun to do something cool like this and do something with something that I make as well. Let me know in the comments what you are going as for Halloween. This year I'll be taking a small little break, and we're going to be doing some traveling down in the New England area, like Boston and Salem. And I'm curious to know if you guys live in that area. Let me know what's cool to see, where you like to eat, just anything, because I've never been there, and it'd be really awesome to do some cool things that you guys recommend. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you next time, and happy Halloween!